All right, so we're going to talk about triangle sum theorem today. Would you agree with me that a triangle has three angles? Yes. All right. If you take those angles and you add them up, what do you think we're going to get? If I take a triangle's angles and I add them up, what do you think I'm going to get? Just take a guess. It don't have to be the right guess. Just take a guess. Be bold. 90, okay? Anybody else? 80, all right? 180. Anybody else? 60, all right? Anybody else? I always hear 360. Okay, that's a big one. Okay? All right. Triangle sum theorem says this. If I take the angles of a triangle, the interior angles of a triangle, and I add them up, so I'm going to do this. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that I'm going to get always, always, always 180 degrees. So the interior angles, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. Okay? That is pretty straightforward, pretty easy to understand. Am I correct? So, if this angle is 20 degrees, and this angle is 80 degrees, what's that angle going to be equal to? How do you find that? Well, how much do you start out with? You start out with 180, correct? What do I have? I got 20 of it, so I subtract 20 from it. I get 160, and then I subtract what from it? 80 from it, and how much do I got left? I got 80 degrees. So angle 3 in this case would be 80 degrees. Okay? That's simple. Everybody in here can subtract, especially if you got a calculator. Okay? Anybody have any questions about that? Let's go even a step further. Let's go a little bit harder here. You ready? Here we go. Let me pull out the old notes here. Pull down the old reading glasses here. That was weird. There we go. This one's always a fun one. I always like this one. Excuse me?
You can start stepping on my cord.
Here we go. 3x minus 3, 68, and 7x plus 1. Here's what we need to find. We need to find the value of x. Okay, so what does this say? It says angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. You paying attention, Brandon? Because I know you don't know this stuff. All right, so what's angle 1 equal to? 3x minus 3. Plus, why did you say plus, Coach? Because there's a plus right here. What's angle 2 equal to? 7x plus 1. Plus, what's angle 3 equal to? 68. Equals 180 degrees. Now to find x, you just solve. Combine like terms. I got 3 x's and I add them to 7 x's. How many x's do I have? 10. What's 3 plus 7, y'all? 10. Thank you. I got 10 x's. Okay? I got negative 3 plus 1 makes negative 2. Everybody take your calculator, type in negative 3 plus 1 plus 68. Press enter and tell me what you get. You come to school, you get what? 66?
I'm going to say, I can tell you now.
That's great. Plus 66 equals 180. Now I got to subtract 66, correct?
Mm-hmm.
That's gone. Bring down 10x, and that equals what?
112.
112 or 114?
14.
Okay.
Oh, my bad. I wasn't-
Divide by 10. And x equals 11.4. Now, if I wanted to find out what angle 1 was, what would I do with that 11.4? I would take and I would just plug it in for x. Anytime you want to find out what something is, all you got to do is take the value of x and plug it in. That's all you got to do. Okay? Does everybody understand? So if I add up the interior angles of a triangle, what do I get? Oh my God.
She said 180.
Well, you got to speak up.
Oh, 180.
Thank you. 180 degrees. Okay?
Are you mad?
All right, here we go. Moving on with our lesson.
I said it low because I didn't want to say it and be wrong. That's okay.
Well, that's okay. If you're wrong, you're wrong. It doesn't, that's not gonna, it's not the end of the world.
That isn't.
Okay.
I'm good.
All right, here we go. Our next exterior angle theorem. I want everybody drawing a triangle. Draw you a triangle. We talked about interior angles. How many interior angles do we have? 3. Okay? Well, guess how many exterior angles we have?
3.
3. If you got 3 interior, you got 3 exterior. If you got 4 interior, you got 4. If you got 5, you got, okay, you see how it coincides there? All right, everybody watch this. Coach, I don't see anything. I'm gonna just label these that way, right there. I don't see any exterior angles there. Oh, they're there, but this is how you find them. You extend one side of the triangle. So let's say I extend AB. Well, when I extend AB, watch what happens. You form an angle right there. Okay? That is an exterior angle. And I'm going to label that one 4. Okay? Great thing about it, you won't have to worry about extending one side. It'll be drawn for you. Okay? All right. Now you need to know a word. And here's that word. Remote. What does the word remote mean? Well, that's a channel changer. Yes, it is a channel changer. That is defined as a remote. But I want you to listen to this sentence, and then I want you to tell me what the word remote means in it. You ready? I live in a remote part of the country.
Somewhere that's like nobody really goes.
There you go. I live away from everybody. Okay, that's what remote means in the mathematical sense. You're away. Okay? Here's what the exterior angle theorem says. It says the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 remote interior angles. Golly, that's a lot of words, isn't it? Okay? This is what it means. Y'all see angle 4 out there? It equals the sum, the addition of the 2 remote. What angles are away from angle 4 here? You can't look, you can't see the board if you're on your cell phone. What angles are away from 4? 3 and 2. So if I add 3 plus 2, I get 4. Okay? That's what that means. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay, I'm going to make it even more fun. Here we go. You ready? Coach, your idea of fun's not fun to me. I know. Here we go. There's angle 5. What can I add together to get 5? 1 and 3. Good. You see what I'm saying? It's away from them. The 2 angles that are away. Okay? Everybody understand that? All right, going back to angle 4 here. If this is equal to 80, and this is equal to 60, and this is equal to 40, what's angle 4 going to be equal to? Well, what does the theorem say? It says angle 2 plus angle 3 equals angle 4.
Is it gonna be?
Well, what's angle 2 equal to?
40.
40
I just added
plus
60.
60 is equal to 100. So angle 4 is 100 degrees. Is that hard? Okay. Let's make it a little more fun. You want to? Yeah. Here we go. This is
I
always.
feel so smart, y'all just let me answer everything back here.
I know. They're so nice. Here we go. 29x plus 4, 68 degrees, and 6x plus 4. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Here's the question. Find the value of x. All right, what's this angle equal to? The sum of the two remote interior angles. This angle plus this angle, right? So watch. 6x plus 4 plus 68 is equal to 29x plus 4. Now I got an algebra problem. Okay? Combine like terms. What's 4 plus 68? 72. 6x plus 72 is equal to 29x plus 4. Move 6x over here or 29x over here. It doesn't matter which one you do, correct? So I'm going to move 6x. 6x. I got 72 is equal to 23x plus 4. Now I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. That gives me 23x is equal to 72 minus 4 is 68. Divide by 23, and x equals what? What's 68 divided by 23? Somebody with a calculator. Oh, y'all don't have calculators. Weird. Come to math. Here, I'll do it myself. 68 divided by 23 equals 2.95. We'll say 2.9. X equals 2.9. Now, if I wanted to find the value of angle AB, whatever this is, this outside angle, what would I do with 2.9? Plug it in. Okay? Plug it in. All right? Anybody have any questions?